Oh, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. And why is my camera tweaking at the dashboard? Anyways, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today is actually my second day of ownership of the M340. I'm loving every single second of it so far. I literally could not have bought a better car, guys. This thing is a 10 out of 10 every single aspect. We are currently on our way to our first meet. I didn't really want to bring the car stock like this to a meet, but the homie Jimmy invited me on, let me put this thing in sport real quick so it doesn't shut off. He invited me to this meet on Monday, and I was like, all right, let's go. I'll go in the stock M340, and here we go. So we're gonna meet up with him. I'm not sure if he invited anybody else. I know Chris is with him, and I'm also gonna get their reactions of the new car. Look at the downshifts in sport mode. I'm not touching nothing. You guys want to know my favorite part about bringing this car to a car meet right now? Oh look, there's Jimmy. He's just driving. Cops cannot mess with me. There's nothing. I mean, I guess I get like a tint ticket or something, but I'm chilling. When I'm in the Z, it's nerve-wracking sometimes, bro, because I mean, anything can happen. But thankfully today we're in the stock M340, so we chilling. This is actually Jimmy's like 30th F80. So I keep getting these two confused. What's up, guys?
What's up, bro? You still getting used to your car? You don't even know what window to put down?
Yeah, dead ass. Are you waiting on anybody or not?
Nah, we're probably gonna meet my homie with the red 340 out there.
All right, for sure. So let's head the fuck up. Oh, bro, this is already tuned. That's on meth. The homie Jimmy's new F80. This is literally, bro, I'm not exaggerating, probably like his, okay, I'm actually gonna try to count. I think like 6th or 7th. I could be wrong. This thing's super clean too. It's Tanzanite blue. I actually found, or I saw a Tanzanite blue M340i before this one, but it just, I'm not trying to like sound like biased because I got this car, but when I was shopping for M340s, I have not, like, out of all the ones that I was supposed to get or that I saw, I did not find a better one than this one. So I'm just so glad and blessed that I waited so long. Even though sometimes I was like super impatient, like, bro, when am I gonna get a car? Am I ever gonna get one? Blah blah. It all worked out, thank God. So, oh, another M3. At least I'm not the only stock car here, but it's hella stock cars. Damn. That's what sucks. I mean, I guess I'm a hypocrite because I'm in the stock car right now, but that's what sucks about today's car scene, bro. It will never be like 2019, 2018. There's just a lot of regular traffic nowadays. No offense. I guess we all start somewhere, so I can't really talk shit. But yeah, got a clean SDK though. Q50, bro. Kind of miss it. Deep down, I do kind of miss it. But this is obviously the way better car. I mean, it does cost like over double what I paid for the Q50, but yeah, kind of incognito right now. I just posted the car on my Instagram like 5 minutes ago. So I'm still incognito. Bro, what the fuck happened to the car scene? I want to record the guy, but you guys can hear that music. It's a guy on top of his truck. He's drinking a tall can and smoking some grass, bro. What is he doing? Keep in mind, this is a college car meet, so what is that dude doing? I've been texting this guy for months on the new cars that I was trying to get. Damn. What do you think about it, bro?
It's clean, bro. Got the icon?
yeah. Technically, I guess. Or lasers.
What's the LCI headlights on it?
Yeah.
Hey,
there she is, bro.
Mod?
Huh?
What's the first mod?
Probably like some springs.
Downpipe in the tube?
Nah, honestly, bro, it has the M-Performance exhaust.
Yeah.
So I don't really care to like make it louder or anything. It's chilling. Probably just lower it on wheels, aero kit, chilling, bro. The car doesn't need much.
Wait, is that your back? Is that back?
Got another M340. Join the party. Stock ass car. This shit is insane, bro. Insane.
We're looking to either BC.
Sick ass one. That's funny, bro. What the hell is that? Alright, guys, so let's check out Jimmy's 30th F80. Tanzanite blue on the comp wheels. This thing is so fire, bro. He literally did what I wanted to do if I got one. EMD lowering springs, spacers, the carbon kit. This thing is fire, bro. Tanzanite blue in person looks so good. Hey, look, he looks fire with no tint. Jimmy. Hey, look, he looks fire with no tint.
Yeah, that's not something.
I like it.
Well, I feel like it looks kind of cool because it has the shades.
Yeah, I like it. Carved roof. Oh man. What do you guys think? Did I make the right buy? A newer M340 over this beautiful F80? Or over a beautiful F80? I don't know. So far, no regrets, bro, but F80s are super fire. That's one thing that's kind of annoying, but I like it at the same time. If I walk anywhere close to it, the lights turn on and the car unlocks. This thing is insane, bro. He does have a chrome roll cage in there. You have to see that. It's super fire. Recaros. Candy red wrap. Yeah, this is sick. A carbon fiber grill. Should we do it or leave the black one? This thing is fire, dude. Chrome TEs. The fitment is super fire. This is gonna be want to shoot him a follow. Everything about this car is super clean, bro. Before I got the Q50, I was gonna get a Camaro, and I started kind of revisiting the idea of getting one. Would have been sick too. On the drag pack, shoot. RSX. Want to buy my first RSX, or my first car back soon. Hopefully he's gonna sell it to me. Mark 5 Supra. Crazy, I was supposed to get one of these. To this day, I still want one, or I will still want one, but I mean, that 340 was just more practical. Literally a Supra with 2 extra doors. Damn, this shit's white as hell. That's super low, damn. Got my peoples over here. HR. Little Nismo. I was supposed to get one of these a couple months ago. New one, Nismo, super clean. Another one right next to it. Oh, hell nah. Never. We got a new Z right next to it. I actually want to go try to buy one of these months ago. I don't know if I ever posted about it. Yeah, they wanted to sell me it for like 52 and I walked out. I still need one of these one day. Yeah, my OG people and my new people. I also consider one of these, but they're just not as cool as F80s to me, personally. Another Mark 5. Hail Keezy. That thing is pretty good. It's pretty sick. I would love a wide body, but they're just way too expensive. Bro, what are those supposed to do? Type shit?
I'll be embarrassed to be up there.
Why? Jimmy made me pop my hood here at the meet. People are gonna come over here thinking I got a big turbo and shit.
Bro, that's pure 850, port injection.
Built trans, drag pack.
1 hour later.
Alright guys, I came to my cousin's house. Funny enough, he's the first person that ever let me drive his M340i. And I think the only M340i I've ever driven besides this one. He ended up getting rid of it probably like, what, like a year ago already?
Yeah.
And now I have mine, and he's gonna drive it. Gonna do some pulls and see how it feels compared to his. So he actually had a 2020, which I don't know if I like it better or not, but I do like the fact that it pops a lot more.
Yeah.
Besides that, does the car feel the same?
Yeah.
It's so funny, bro. Like it's been like 2 years since I drove that car, and the moment I drove it, I knew I wanted one. And here we are 2 years later. Hit it. Does it still feel the same?
Yeah, it feels the same. I don't think you're gonna feel the difference in the hybrid.
Oh yeah, so this car, for those of you guys that don't know, it comes with the motor is like a mild hybrid, right, or something like that. Supposedly, some people say it makes it stronger.
I feel the same.
It sounds the same too, besides the pops.
Besides the pops, yeah.
Yeah, same motor, I guess. Just the only difference is the hybrid thing, right?
Mild hybrid, yeah.
You approve?
I actually like the screen.
You like it more than the 2020s? I feel like it's like luxury, bro. It's cool, yeah.
It's like this part is like bigger.
Hit it. Oh shit! Damn, you drove it faster than me. I would have hit like 100. Damn, bro, passenger seat, it feels pretty strong, dude.
That should be pulling, huh?
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, this shit feels strong. Passenger seat. Damn, who need that?
Eventually.
Alright guys, it's not like 2 days later from the last clip you guys just saw. One of my closest friends here, Eric, just pulled up. And we're about to show him the new whip. What's up, dog? Let's show him the new car, guys. See his reaction.
Damn. Bro, it looks so much wider in person.
So funny enough, when I bought the Q50, Eric saw the Q50 for the first time in the exact same spot. I don't know if you remember that.
Yeah, I do. Dude, this thing is sick.
Here she is, bro. New whip. Finally, about time.
It suits you. It literally fits you, dude. And it's almost the same color as your other car.
I know, right? Both gray.
That's sick, bro.
Alright guys, let's get a little cold start before we head to the gym. Stock MPE exhaust.
Two hours later.
Drive it.
What?
Drive it.
Why?
Drive it.
Drive it where?
To my house, just drive it.
What the fuck? Why?
Because I want you to drive it. You thought I was gonna take some pictures? Nah, you're gonna drive it. I told him I was gonna take pictures. Nah, bro, drive this shit. I wanna convince him to get one.
You're wild, bro.
Put this shit in Sport Plus. Hold on. Sport Plus. Alright, so put your foot on the brake?
Yeah.
I'm assuming you wanna drive in a manual. Alright, go for it. Get a feel for it. Don't be scared of it.
Oh, shit.
Don't be scared of it.
Bro, what?
I think after this little short drive, he's gonna wanna buy one.
For sure.
The only thing that sucks is that there's traffic on the freeway. Otherwise, I would tell him to get on the freeway and give a pull. Alright, bro. Make it right here. It's kind of like a little straightaway. You can do a little pull if you want.
Bro, I need one, bro.
Yeah.
Look, this just feels sick.
I know. I knew you were gonna react like this. I was like, dude, once this dude drives it, he's gonna want one. And I hope that he does, bro. I need more BMW homies. Can't go wrong with the B58, bro.
Bro.
It's new, pretty much.
Dude, it just feels good.
Yeah, you're gonna feel this shit. Do a second gear, because first gear kind of spins. Go on this lane.
Next one?
Yeah. Speed up a little bit. Drop it. Second. All right, go for it. Oh shit! Speed up, speed up, speed up, speed up, speed up, speed up. You can probably hit it right now. Oh shit!
No way, bro.
How does it feel?
Dude, it feels.
You're not even doing a good ass pull later.
No, bro.
Later on the freeway, like when it's emptier, like another day, I'll let you do like a full on pass. Drive it a little bit more aggressive.
Oh my god, bro! Imagine what the
Downpipe.
dude. Imagine downpipe intakes tune. Oh, it's gonna feel crazy.
Yeah, this shit.
Bro. These little like accelerations are gonna feel crazy. Bro.
It's crazy because this model, from what I thought, I was like, bro, it's not gonna pop. It's gonna like not suck, but it's not gonna be like a 2020 where it pops. But this thing still pops. It's pretty cool. And I like the pops. It's like not too obnoxious.
Yeah.
You could do another one if you want, if there's space. A little one.
12 o'clock midnight.
All right, guys, we're leaving the gym, and my girl wants to drive my car. And it actually works out because I want to see the car rolling. I haven't seen the car rolling yet in my ownership. So I'm gonna drive her car. She's gonna drive mine, and we're gonna get to see it rolling. I'm a little nervous. Please do not crash it. Here you go.
Thank you, sir.
Have fun. I'm actually very fucking scared. Damn. First time seeing it rolling, guys. That's another reason why I want her to drive it. I told my girl this a while ago because I seen LCI rolling on the freeway. From a distance, obviously from a distance, okay? I feel like LCIs look like a G80. I think it's because of the reflectors, but from a distance. Obviously, once you get closer, you realize that it doesn't have the wide body and whatnot. But I don't know if you can see it on camera what I'm saying. Well, like right now it looks like a 340, but like from far, I don't know how to explain it. It looks like a G80 from far. That's definitely one thing I loved about the M340s or the M3s is the lights, the rear lights, especially when like the turn signals are on. It's super bright. Yeah, that's crazy, bro. That's my car. Crazy. Sorry, I'm a little speechless right now. Very grateful to God, man. It's crazy. Damn. I want to see if she's down to do a pull. I want to see. I want to hear her fly by. I'm gonna bring the window down, guys, but it's fucking cold. How do you like it? Yeah? You wanna do a pull? It's in Sport Plus, so I mean you could go up to like 40 miles an hour and just punch it. That was definitely not full throttle. Alright guys, M340 is put away and all tucked in next to her sister. And that's pretty much gonna conclude today's video, guys. I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. Have a bunch of content coming with that car. I'm actually gonna take it tomorrow, funny enough, back to the dealership to do a little something to it. I'll record when I'm there and what we do to it at the dealership. And then after that, I have a few videos planned. And then the mod is gonna really start. I'm very excited to show you guys what I have planned for this car and the vision I have for it. It's gonna hit, bro, trust me. Just let me cook. With that being said, guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. Oh, I also gotta take this car to the shop to get it fixed already. I haven't driven it in forever. I've just been lagging it. But with that being said, guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up for me. Subscribe if you're new. Hit that bell button so you guys could be alerted whenever I post. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.